Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list you will enter to the window of Netflix and you click. Here on this page of app info you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.